What do you call a person that takes care of chickens? A chicken tender! Lately at the farmer's market, we've been getting a lot of questions about how the chickens live and how we raise them. So today we're gonna do a video on moving the chicken tractors. We use these PVC pipes to help the houses glide along the ground really easily. So we're gonna take it and lift up the edge of the house and just slide them under, and then when we pull it forward, it'll glide super smooth across the ground. We use a two-wheel dolly to pull the houses forward, and I'm inside so that to help move the chickens along. I use this, the PVC pipes are on the ground, and then I use this paddle here to encourage the chickens. So that's how we move our chickens every day. This method works out pretty good for us for the type of chicken tractors that we have. Please remember to like and subscribe and help us grow our channel.